What's good, man? What the hell y'all got going on tonight? My name is D Chapo. If y'all is new here, and this is my first video, so 9 times out of 10, you probably are new here. If y'all don't know what's going on, now y'all do. I'm the founder and CEO of Jug Rich Trades. I'm starting this channel to basically put y'all on game and teach y'all how to make money, or how you could possibly make money off the stock market, safe ways to do it, and all about trade and options, man. We're going to get into some crypto shit too, but I'm gonna say that for a separate time. Today we're going to be talking about how I made 7K last week off of just options trading in the stock market, man. So y'all gonna want to stick around and pay attention. Please drop a subscribe and hit that like button, man. Comment where y'all from also. So listen, man, I'm gonna try to keep this brief, but before we get into how I made 7K in just the stock market with trade and options last week, man, I do want to properly introduce myself, man. My name is D Chapo. I'm from Virginia. I'm 22 years old. I've been investing for about a year, well, trading options for about a year. I've been investing a little longer than that. I've been profitable for about 11 months. The first month was rough. I'm not going to sit here and lie, but with the right guidance and the right focus, when you lock in and trade safely, it's easy to be profitable. I'm also a recording artist, and I have my own clothing brand too, man. But that's not what we're here to discuss today. I just wanted to give y'all a proper introduction so y'all know who y'all talking to with Jug Rich Trades and Stocks. You feel what I'm saying? All right, so now let's get into what I did and how I executed to make 7K in just 5 days, 5 trading days in the stock market last week, man. Let's go. So before we hop in all of this, man, I want to let y'all know right now, 90% of y'all are probably going to be new to the world of trading options. If you sitting here watching this with Jug Rich Trades, I want to let y'all know, man, this is not by any means a get rich quick scheme. You got to focus. You got to take the time to lock in and build your knowledge right quick so you can trade safely and profitably. You feel me? We want to minimize the L's, maximize the wins, man. So as y'all can see, I'm probably make it pop up on the screen and stuff, but this is my Robinhood. We ain't doing no cap around here. If y'all can see, if y'all can't see, we're gonna make it pop up on the screen, man. 7.4K past week, up 87.16% in the stock market off of just trading options, man. I'm gonna show y'all what stocks I rode, what I got into, and give y'all the rationale on why I got into them stocks also, man. So without further ado, let's get into it now. Alright, man, let's get into the first stock that helped me make 7.5K last week, man. Let's get into it off of day trading options. Now, I'm gonna make the chart pop out right here, man. Check it. We on Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. Introduction to Nvidia, man. It's an AI stock. It's a very strong stock. If y'all take a look at the chart, man, this jump has been shooting, holding strong, you feel me, on the daily chart. And guess what it did? Friday before the Friday that just passed. If you're watching this week, the Friday before the Friday that just passed, man, the 19th, look what it did. It dropped back down. Everybody was scared. Everybody thought it was going to crash. I told my dogs to go ahead and back calls on that, man. And look what it did all week. It shot up. It shot up. And I did that partly because on the daily chart, if y'all go back to the last time it hit 760 something, look what it did, man. Look what it did. It shot up and went crazy. And 9 times out of 10, if it do it once, history gonna repeat itself. History repeats itself. Remember this in the stock market, man. That's one of the best things that y'all can take away from this video. History repeats itself, but not too often. And don't ever overstay your welcome, man, when you train. So look at this. It got down to 755.31 roughly, and then what did it do Monday? It shot up. I want to say I traded it either Tuesday and Thursday and Friday, or Friday and Tuesday, one of the two, bro. But I know for sure I traded it Friday, man. So we looked at it on the daily chart. Y'all see it went crazy. Let's turn this to the 15-minute chart, man. Let's show y'all why I got into the day trades on it. Because I definitely didn't hold it all week. But this was it on Friday, man. And when I tell you, Me and the team bankrolled, Jill Rich Trades bankrolled. The Discord went crazy, man. So the market opened. This is the pre-market. This little orangish set that y'all see, that's the pre-market. This is what they did when the market opened, man. It shot up, shot down a little bit. Really ain't have no big buying pressure. Then boom. See what it did in the next 15 minutes? Now I didn't hop in too fast because I did want to see what it was going to do. But once it got up to here and I seen, okay, on the day before, what did it do? I'm like, man, it had strong moves up in the morning. Then during the day, after market and pre-market, it didn't really go down. It just really flattened out. And then what did it do the next day? The next morning while I'm watching it, it shoots up, big move up. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna let it drop a little bit. And I think I got in around this candle. Got in right around here. And I'm gonna pull it up on Robinhood too so y'all see it, man. And then we just rolled this thing to the top. Rolled it to the top. Sold it about right here. Either right here or right here. If I'm remembering correctly, I didn't stay in it too long. Did not overstay my welcome. I did buy a longer expiration date on it, but I wound up not even have to stay in. I think I made like 50% gains and got out of it. We're going to pull it up on Robinhood right now. Let's do that right now. So let's look up options, orders. Orders right here. All right, so y'all see this. Limit sale. Sold Nvidia right here. 2 of my contracts got filled for 5,300. I held a couple of them. I held 3 contracts. Made 1725. So you add that up, that's roughly 7,000. 7,000, and let's see how much I bought it for, man. 41.50. 41.50. Yeah, I see that. So it definitely didn't take no time at all for me to get in the contracts and then sell as they went up. Trading options is one of the best ways to actually multiply your money without buying shares of a stock, then praying that it goes from 500 to a band in a short amount of time. Is the best way, one of the best ways to multiply your money. If a stock even moves up 5-10%, you feel me, that could be a double triple up for you, as y'all can see, man. Let's go to Nvidia. Let's go to Nvidia. It's going to show for Friday. So y'all see this, man, the pre-market, just like I showed y'all. This round where we got in at, because I told y'all I missed the first big candle. So from 10, it went from 4% to 6.67%, man, where we sold at. And like I said, a stock doesn't have to move up hundreds of thousands of dollars for you to be able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars off of that stock, man. Not hundreds of thousands, excuse me, hundreds to thousands of dollars off of that contract, man. So let's see one of the next ones we got into. Let's see. Took a little L on Meta, man. Took a little L on Meta. If y'all can see, bought it for 3,000. Only sold it for 27. But this is a good example of not overstaying your welcome, man. Limiting your losses. You feel me? But we did eat off of AMD. We ate off of AMD right quick, man. Let's see. This was on my smaller account challenge. Let's go to AMD on the trading view. Where did I buy it at 10/14, April 26, man. So let's go to AMD on trading view. So as y'all can see, man, we got in about right around here. Got in right here. I was waiting on it to dip a little bit, come back down. That's what I did. I waited. Then I got in about right around here. This is on a 15-minute chart. So I rode it to this little top. I seen it was consolidating. I'm like, all right, let me not overstay my welcome. I sold it here, man, for about, let's see what that is, man. Bought it for $343, and then I sold it for $546. So y'all see how it doesn't take a lot of money. It doesn't take thousands of dollars for you to almost double your bread right quick within minutes, man. Within minutes. So that's Nvidia, AMD. Tesla did me good. I ain't gonna lie. Tesla was eating all week, for real. I'm not gonna lie. Tesla was eating all week. I'm trying to see what I brought Tesla for. Man, next heavy hitter is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, man. Shout out Elon and them. You feel me? We bought 9 contracts, man, at 4K. For 4K, excuse me. And then we added some more when it dropped down a little bit. It's called averaging in. If you get into a call, which you saying a stock is going to go above the strike price you pick in your contract, you're saying it's going to go above and it goes down, you can average in, add some more of them same contracts at a cheaper price. So it's easier to even out your loss, minimize your losses and maximize your gains, you feel me? So we added about 3 more contracts for $1,200. And then boom. So we all in at Tesla at 52.50 roughly. Then right here you see the limit sale. We sold 9 of them contracts for $41.40. And then sold some more of the contracts, the rest of the contracts, I think for $1,500, you feel me? We got in at kind of a bad entry level on Tesla. I'm not gonna lie. And it wasn't that volatile for the day. So we pocketed about a quick $400 off of that. Let's see where I bought it at. 941 on April 26th. So we go to trade and view, man. Let's go look at Tesla, man. So we looked at Nvidia, AMD. Those is both AI stocks too. Remember that, man. And then we're gonna go to Tesla, which possibly could be turning into an AI stock pretty soon, man. Elon wanna make everything robotic, you feel me? So I could definitely see that. Let's see where we got in that, man. Let's see where we got in that. We got in about right there, man. I think I got in on the higher end of this candle though, because I was really down and I averaged in right there. Like I said, I brought some more when it came down a little bit right there. Then it shot up a little bit. I took profits right about right here because I really couldn't tell if it was going to keep going up or go down. So I wanted to play it safe, man. Go ahead, see profits, take profits on it, man. Like I said, we profited a quick little 400. But you see how this is happening in minutes, bro. This is happening in minutes. And I'm not spending all day, not to not anybody's hustle, but I'm not spending all day doing any type of back-breaking work, over analyzing anything, you feel me? We see a trend, hop on the trend, and see profits and take profits in some of these, and then some of them you're going to want to play the longer game if it's a more obvious setup. You got to trust your setup, because like right here, man, take this as a learning lesson. If I would have trusted my setup on this like I usually do, boom, I could have tripled, quadrupled my money right quick, you feel me? Turn that 4 to an 8 piece. But I was being impatient. I had other stuff going on, so I really wanted to pull out right quick, man. Let's see what else was another heavy hitter this week. So that's Tesla. That's Tesla, Nvidia, AMD. Y'all see we turned a little 70 to a 90 on the small account challenge, man. We doing it all day, every type of which way, man. I don't care what the stock is, man. If we see a trend, you feel me, trusting the setup, man. Let's go to SPY. SPY printed me the other day. Gosh almighty, SPY really did his thing. Let me see here. That was a limit sale. I'm trying to see Okay, so boom, limit buy. I bought 25 contracts to SPY for 4,700. I bought SPY for 4,700 the other day. I sold it for all 25 contracts for a band, man. Made a band right quick. Y'all see in 30-minute time. This doesn't take any time. We're not gonna go over SPY right now. I'd rather look at let's look at SMCI. Let's go to SMCI, man, on April 25th. How y'all day going, man? Drop it down in the comments how y'all day going, man. What y'all been doing all day. Alright, so this was April. Alright, so yeah, this was the 25th, man. So as y'all see, I already got my levels drawn out on this, man. It's kind of the same thing Nvidia did. They kind of moved with each other. It was weird, bro. Everything tech was going so crazy. AI and tech was going so crazy all last week, man. Cause everything was on a dip. Everything had shot down the week before that, and people be so scared of dips. But remember, in the stock market, man, dips are good. Run to the dips. Run to the dips. Always remember that. Run to the dips if it's a strong stock, cause that's basically just getting it on sale. You just getting it on sale, no cap. So we've seen it go up, shoot up. I didn't want to stay in this too much time. I see how it dropped, went up, dropped, and then went up again. And this was my take profit area. The green was my take profit. So I'm like, all right, it shot up to about right there, and I got out of it because I didn't want to spend all day in this. I be having time limits on my contracts. The way I trade, I like to put time limits on certain contracts if they very volatile and usually have a lot of up and down movement throughout the day. I don't like to overstay my welcome, you feel me? And we'll do one more for y'all right quick, man. We'll do one more for y'all. Nvidia put, so we had rolled puts on Nvidia. Nvidia puts went so crazy, bro. So crazy. So y'all see this limit buy right here, 5,200. We scroll up a little bit, and then we see where did it just go? Nvidia put, I sold it for 8 bands, man. I sold it for 8 bands. So I sold both of the contracts that I was in Nvidia for 8 bands, took profits on that. That was on the 24th. So let's go back to Nvidia, man. And this is why I love trading options, because you can make money off the stock market going up and down. A put is like when you put the phone down. Always remember that. You betting that a stock market or a stock that you invest in is going to go below your strike price on the contract. You understand what I'm saying? So when you buying puts, you saying that the stock is going to go down. When you're buying calls, you're saying that the stock is going to go up. So let's go over here, and y'all see what it did, man. This is on the 15-minute chart. This is on the 15-minute chart. I'm like, we got in about right here. I saw a strong move down. I looked at the RSI. I saw a little bit of divergence, but it's not really an obvious divergence. We'll get into what divergence is on the next couple of videos, man. So we just shot down, came back up a little bit. I said, all right, we just gonna ride this one throughout the day. This one I rode a little bit more, and I sold it when it got to about right here. So y'all see, even in this little move down, it don't look like that big of a move, but that's almost a double up. I bought it for $5,000, sold it for $8,000 a couple of hours later. This is all legal paid, man. Trading options in the stock market, man, is one of the most profitable sources of income that I've ever had my feet in, and I've had my feet in a lot of sources of income. You understand what I'm saying? Because the average millionaire got 7 sources of income, so you can't just have one jug and think you straight for life, you feel me? You got to be able to get your feet wet with a lot of things, you feel me? And we in a pool with this, that's all I'm gonna say. If y'all sitting here with Joe Rich Trades, we is in the money pool right now, man. So That's how I made 7K last week in the stock market, man. In the next couple of videos, I'm gonna be doing trading options for beginners, man. I just wanted to give y'all an introduction and let y'all see how volatile, how you can make money, let y'all get a taste of how y'all can make money in the stock market, man. It's all legal, man. Legal pick, legal way, you feel me? Like, it's lovely. They printing it and we getting it, man. That's all I gotta say. So if y'all rocking with me, man, press subscribe. If y'all want more free games, stay tuned and please, man. We going, like I said, we gonna keep running it up. And I'm gonna use the YouTube to give y'all a free game, man. I'm keep dropping jewels out here, man. But if you really want to get in tune and be the first to get my live signals for profits, man, I'm calling out everything. You just gotta sit there and get in with me. You feel me? Join the Discord, man. I'm gonna put the Discord link down there in the description so y'all can come turn out with me, man. It's an interactive e-course and a chat for giving signals to y'all so everybody can profit, man. I love to see everybody eat, man. I'm gonna show y'all a couple testimonials how I had my brothers eating this week, man. Everybody in the chat eating, man. I look at everybody in the chat is family. Everybody on the YouTube is family, man. So if you rocking with Joe Rich Trades, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. You did what I'm saying. We're gonna keep dropping jewels on y'all, man. Like I said, I just want everybody to eat and get hip, bro. Cause there's no reason that everybody shouldn't be hip to this, man. Ain't no reason to. So if you willing to learn, man, if you want to keep learning about trading stocks, man, making these band run these racks up, man, y'all, you feel me? Hit that subscribe button. And we gonna see y'all probably tomorrow. Get it.